Alright, Jim. This is pretty much, if you guys decide you want to install these for people, all I did, and I'll show you how it hooked up here, but this is the in. This is the in right here. And it says on the one side, it says in and out. I chose to hook it up like this. Yeah, because I want to hook it up like how you guys should hook it up if you guys do it for customers. In on this side, out to this side. So this line here is coming from the pump. So the pump pumps through here, goes to here, and then this goes to the pressure tank. And then all I have here is a T, because I have the water-fed pole system, and then it just goes up. And I cheated. I have what I did is I put a valve in here, and then I put an end cap on the end. The valve is drainable, so that nothing stays in there in case you have to winterize the van. You can just leave that open. But I also made it long enough so that if you wanted to quickly evacuate the tank, all you'd have to do is undo the cap on the end. Undo the cap on the end like that. And then the pump would pump out the system quicker than your truck mount could use the water. And then I used a Everett Bass ball valve with a drain, lead-free, 3/4 inch. I only had a couple dollars in the whole deal here. So that fits off to the side there quite nicely. And the biggest thing is, like, if you do hook it up with a T, you want to make sure that you bleed all the air out of this line, or it will cycle your pump too much, because the air in the line will compress a certain amount, and as soon as it goes off, it drops the pressure. Yeah, and then this here, this just unscrews, and then this cartridge here can be bought at Home Depot or Walmart or whatever. There will be little air pockets on the inside for a little while until the filter becomes saturated. Yeah, so again, this is from the pump in here, and then this goes to the pump. I'll walk on the other side of the van here and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so the line that goes there, the black line that comes up, goes right here into the block, and then out the bottom goes over here to the truck mount. So from the pump itself, I took the line that was there, and then I spliced it together. You can see that right there, and that goes to the in on the filter. So from the pump through here to the in, and then back from the pump with the black line up to the pressure tank, and then out from the pressure tank through here to there. And there was just no way for me to hook it up here. I tried thinking of every which way, but the way the water line goes into the back, there's literally no room to do anything. I almost mounted it right here on the wall, but I thought that maybe it would be too close, so I moved it back there on the wall. There's 3 screws total. Hold it onto the wall. And the filter, the great thing about the filter is I ran those lines to those back there. There's no real movement in the filter, and the filter is not going to smack the wall because there's 2 rubber lines there, so it's not going to wiggle, jiggle, and make a bunch of noise and stuff. So, alright, well, that's the filter. And like I said, there's the T, but that's for my system, my hookup for the water-fed pole system. But other than that, you just run straight in. Then they would have an auxiliary, station to change a water filter and keep all the crap out of their pump and out of the out of that strainer down there. But yeah, and with it being right there, you can definitely see, you know, when it gets dirty. And with it being rhino lined, you don't have to worry about spilling water, but you know, it's good to put down a towel or something anyways. So, all right, well, I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later.